What is the nephron structure explained? Imagine a tiny factory inside your kidney that works nonstop to keep your body balanced. That factory is the nephron, the smallest unit that does big jobs. Your kidneys have about 1 million of these tiny structures each. They help filter your blood, remove waste, and keep your body's water and salt levels just right. The nephron has two main parts. The first is the renal corpuscle, where blood first enters. It has a tiny ball of blood vessels called the glomerulus. Blood pressure pushes water and small molecules out of the glomerulus into a cup-shaped structure called Bowman's capsule. This filtered fluid is called the filtrate. Next is the renal tubule, a winding tube that processes the filtrate. It has three main sections. The first is the proximal convoluted tubule, which is close to the renal corpuscle. It has cells with tiny finger-like projections called microvilli. These help reabsorb most of the water, salts, glucose, and amino acids back into the blood. Then comes the loop of Henle. Shaped like a U, it dips into the inner part of the kidney called the medulla. This loop helps concentrate urine by reabsorbing water and salts. It has a descending limb that lets water exit and an ascending limb that reabsorbs salts. This process helps your body keep water when needed. The last part of the tubule is the distal convoluted tubule. It is farther from the glomerulus and fine-tunes the balance of salts and pH. It adjusts what gets reabsorbed or secreted into the tubule. All these parts drain into the collecting duct, which gathers urine from many nephrons. The collecting duct carries the urine through the medulla to the renal pelvis, then to the ureter, and finally to the bladder. There are two types of nephrons. Cortical nephrons are near the kidney surface with short loops of Henle. Juxtamedullary nephrons are near the border of the cortex and medulla with long loops that extend deep into the medulla. These long loops are important for making concentrated urine. The structure of the nephron allows it to do three main jobs. First, it filters blood in the glomerulus. Second, it reabsorbs useful substances and water in the tubules. Third, it secretes waste products into the tubule for elimination. Understanding how each part works helps us see how your body keeps fluid levels balanced, removes waste, and controls blood pressure and salts. The nephron is a tiny but mighty part of your urinary system, working constantly to keep you healthy.